So here's an overall view on the fault code rating side. You got the number on the fault, the description on the fault, and you can access some freeze frame data, which means you'll be able to see when the fault happened and the current state, the priority. You'll find technical data related to the fault. It really depends on the fault and also depends on the brand and the model of the equipment, like the coverage that we have on here. So for example, in this one, injector cylinder 1 open circuit, if you click over here, it takes you right to the component and it will give you an image on the part and also a description, the values that you need to have over there, and the pinout here. Now you do have some troubleshooting available. In this case, let's check the pressure relief valve. And this is actually a special troubleshooting. It seems you might need internet for this. So it tells you check the fuel system, you check next, then check the pressure sensor. You can go directly to display the live measurement over here. Here you have an idea, and also if you choose for live measurements, if you pick any component, any sensor on the engine, you can actually have this way to view it. So we're gonna check the other one over here, and you can actually select the graphing between any of the options. So that's an overall view. Have you checked? Has the check been corrected? We're gonna say yes, and then it's gonna finally send you to do the final system check. In this case, it's a high pressure test, and next, and so on. Now you do have wiring diagrams available in this equipment, and it's very important to keep your license activated in order to see the technical data. And even if you don't renew in the next year your license, you can still use the tool as a diagnostics tool, but you're gonna miss the technical data and the customer support, which helps connecting or using the software. Here's an idea on how the wiring diagrams look. You can scroll over here and actually select the component. Here's another example. It shows you the location in the engine, and here's the final worksheet that you get at the end of every diagnostics. You're gonna be able to see everything that you did from here. So we did the fault code rating. We did some live measurements, so it's gonna give you all that information. You can add comments, and also you can add pricing over here.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us 888-64-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.